Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Marlette and today we're going to make some breakfast but in Bosnian style. Kljukuša is a traditional Bosnian dish dating back to the Ottoman Empire. In its basic form, it is made merely with flour, salt, and water. But in the recent years, they started to incorporate meat and potatoes. So I first learned to make this from my mother-in-law. From there, I now make this for breakfast at least once a week. So let's start by mixing 1 cup of flour into your bowl. Then add a teaspoon of salt, some lukewarm water, and carbonated or sparkling water. Whisk until there are no lumps left. The consistency of the butter should be of a pancake batter like this. Then pour the butter into your hot pan and gently spread it evenly. Make sure that it is not too thick. Then cover it and cook under medium heat. Covering it will prevent the kljukuša from drying out and it will make it so soft. While that is cooking, melt some butter into a saucepan. Flip your kljukuša when the other side is turning golden brown. Then add some cream to your butter and mix it by swirling it just like this. It will take at least 5 to 8 minutes to cook 1 kljukuša, flipping it a few times to make sure both sides are cooked. Now transfer it to a board or a plate, but I like to use a paper towel and remove the excess oil first. The traditional way of breaking it apart is by using your hands. Then pour the buttercream mixture on top of it. Add some fresh cottage cheese or any soft cheeses that you like. Sometimes my mother-in-law would put some chopped garlic as topping too. Then I add some sliced onions on the side. I hope you like this recipe and let me know in the comments if you have ever tried to make this. See you in the next video. Ciao!